can't look in her eyes. She's out of my league. Just a fool to believe I have anything she needs. She's like the wind.